Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well in the lockdown. Okay, let's get to the topic. So till date we were studying and learning about MIT App Inventor, but from now we will start with Inkscape and we will see what Inkscape is, what it does, how it helps us, and everything. Also, what Inkscape contains and how can you download it. Okay, so let me tell you something about Inkscape. Inkscape is an open source drawing tool for creating and editing vector graphics. You can create professional artwork like logos and technical illustrations. Um अदर बाकी drawing programs की तरह Inkscape offers a creation of basic shapes such as ellipses, rectangles, stars, polygons, and spirals, as well as the ability to transform and manipulate these basic shapes using rotation, stretching, and skewing method. Okay, so we'll see first how to download it. You have to search download Inkscape and this website. Download Inkscape 1.0.2 Inkscape. And this is the logo. This is the app. Go to Windows and okay. So now it is your choice, and depending on the type of laptop you have, you need to choose 32-bit, 64-bit, or Windows Store. So you need to see about that. But for us, I have already downloaded the Inkscape version, obviously. So in just a second, we will see about it. Okay, so in a second we are back, and this is how the screen looks like. This is how the tab looks like. This is the app, and let us see what this app contains, like the first tab contains. So very basic, this is the title bar, this is the menu bar, then this is the toolbox. As you can see, there are so many tools. We will see about those. And then tools control bar. Okay. And uh, yeah, this is the tools control bar. Now these two are the rulers, and this is the color palette, this is the status bar, and this is the document page, this is the canvas, and these two lines, these are the commands bar. Okay, so we saw about this. Now let's see something about the tools as well. So this the arrow tool, it is to select objects, but we'll see that later. We'll start with this. As you can see, it read the name, create rectangles and squares. So this is my rectangle. So I just created it. So in this also, these two, this is one handle. Okay, sorry. This is one handle, and this is the other side handle. Okay, wait. This is the other side handle. And this circle which you can see, just see what it does. So you just saw what it can do. So it can make your edges of the rectangle curve and even turn it into an oval. But we'll leave it as this. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll just shrink it in size so that everything else also can jump in. Okay, circle. Circle, eclipse, sphere, everyone knows, right? With this circle, you can edit it like this. Now you can see the this opening because I did not finish it here. If I choose, yeah, now I finished. So you can see this finished circle, and just click on it, backspace, click on it, backspace. Okay. And for undo, there is Control Z. Okay, so this is done. Let's see about create stars and polygons. Okay, enough for fun. So you saw about that, and this creates 3D boxes. So as you can see, it is 3D. Hmm? Backspace. Okay, so this is the spiral. So we'll just leave it small. Backspace. Okay. Now this is for drawing curves and straight line. I'm making this straight line. Okay. And this is like just makes it continue. So now this is an object just like that. Understood? So we'll just move Control Z. Okay. And this is the freehand. You can draw anything. Okay. Now I said that I'll show this one later. So as you can see, there are a lot of circles and squares right here. So what they do is the squares are for like wait. This is a so the squares are for turning it into like you can completely change the shape and how the line looks, as you can see what I'm doing. And okay, and there are circles for angles, and these squares are for everything, like the whole thing. Okay, so we'll just okay, I'm sorry. Huh. Okay, so now this you might know, you might remember it. So as you can see, this is a calligraphy pen type thing. Draw calligraphic or brush stroke. Okay. Then yeah, this is a very like creative this thing. You can write here, and well, I'll just show you. Restart. Okay. So this is my name. I wrote my name, and then there are italic also. Then you can make it bold also, just bold or bold italic, and then there's the size. We'll just make it 64. Um, oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. So now we'll make it 64. You can see it's changed. Bold italic. And you can even change the size. There are so many options which you can go through. We'll just change to this. Okay, so you can see this. Control Z is for undo. Okay, so I was thinking, and you might be thinking that the document page is very small, right? So for that, you have to press Control plus Shift plus D. So these are the document properties. Here you can change the width. Let us. Okay, so you can see that the width has changed. We'll see it live. Yes, you can see. Now let's change the height. Okay, so the okay, so this is how it changed, and there's landscape mode, there's units also, and there's so many things here. Also, when you are like making stuff, okay, wait, we'll go to rectangle again. So I made this rectangle. You can change the circle again so that next time it is not correct. Ha. So you have to press Control plus Shift plus F and Control plus Shift plus M. So I'll show you. This is the fill and stroke, and this is for everything else like rotate, scale, move. Horizontally, let's move it a little bit. Okay, it's probably not visible. So let's make it a Like no, let's make it 40. I think it moved. I'm just so sorry. It's like, yeah, you can see it moving. Okay, and then this is the fill and stroke. This is my rectangle. So here are the colors. You can change the color as you can see, or otherwise you can change it directly. Like, I just like it this color. Okay, and you can rotate this thing, like, and give it an angle. Okay, so it's also like you can apply it to each object separately, or maybe just the object you have chosen, like that. So we had a lot of things right now. Also, um, so if there's an object, wait, this is my object, and we'll just play it with. So you can see what happened. We'll just we'll just change the color. Okay, so you saw what happens. Erase existing paths. Then there's another measurement tool. There's zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and there's a lot more stuff you need to explore a lot. Okay, sorry for that. There was some technical issue. Let it be. Okay, so we saw so many things, and there's here also like open an existing document, print document, import, and then there's copy, there's cut, there's paste, everything's there here. We call it the commands bar, right? Okay, so today we studied a lot about this. You have so many options here and here, everything. There's so many to explore and everything. I will not be showing you every what do you say, everything related to it, but most related things which you will use to make any drawing or anything, I will definitely be showing. Okay, so this was it for the video. Next time I will be coming with a Wi-Fi project in which I will make a tablet, and in the tablet we will like make a Wi-Fi signal. Okay, that sounds fun, and we'll meet you next time.